Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you the Maniology Box of Joy. So Maniology released their Box of Joy, which is a 13-day countdown box. Now they did this for Halloween. It was Box of Magic. I will leave a link to the unboxing of that one down below. And I actually have Halloween nails on. I'm filming this in October. This video is not going to go up till early November. But for this Halloween design, I'll leave a link to the tutorial down below as well, are things from the Box of Magic. So I did actually use the stuff from the Box of Magic. I loved it. They released the Box of Joy and I had to have it. So again, I am going to unbox everything. If you want to do this at home for your own unboxing and actual countdown, then, come back to this video at another time. But if you're curious, you want to see what's in the Box of Joy, just stay tuned. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here's what the inside looks like. It says Merry Xmas. We got our countdown book. Let's see, the Box of Magic had a story. Oh, this one also has a story. So we'll read the story as we unbox. They included some festive stickers, cute. And then of course the whole box is things, so even the tissue papers got the Christmas on it. So let me put this to the side. So, Box of Joy, let's go ahead and read from the beginning. In Maniology's workshop, the elves worked swift, wrapping up aloha packages, thousands of gifts. But something was missing. They all could agree they needed tinsel and music and a glowing fir tree. They paused their packing, nail tools set aside to decorate the workshop with joy as their guide. Over 12 winter nights, they all came together, bringing Christmas to Hawaii despite the warm weather. Snow didn't fall, but the elves played it cool, etching plates with snowflakes using magical tools. With polish and a stamp on each of their hands, they whisked away to winter wonderland. So in case you guys don't know, Maniology is based out of Hawaii. So that's why they have Hawaii reference, in case someone didn't know. So let me find number 1. Okay, here is number 1. Again, super cute holder. I feel very weird having the Halloween nails and I'm unboxing Christmas, but we just gotta go with it. So here is what this plate looks like. It's beautiful. Lots of different kinds of snowflakes. So I like the kind of ribbons that go across. We got some ornaments. I like how we have the cornered ones. We have some lace. Oh, so pretty. That was number 1. Number 2, snowflakes on fingers and twinkling toes, their nails mesmerized with shimmering glows. I see blue polish like a frozen dream. They marveled at the sparkle in a magical gleam. So let me find number 2. Here is number 2. It's going to be a stamping polish. Ooh, that's pretty. Twinkling Toes is what it's called. It's a blue metallic. That's pretty. I was expecting like a red or a green, but that using on the snowflake plate, that's gonna be so pretty. And you can use like snowflakes into January too. Number 3, to pamper their hands with scents so bright, zesty citron, a pure and fragrant delight, the elves massage their cuticles with tender loving care, leaving the workshop with citrus-scented air. Is this gonna be a cuticle oil? Number 3. Oh my gosh, it is. I didn't even know Maniology had cuticle oil. Is this new or have they had this? So it is in the zesty citron scent. So cute. Let's smell it. It is very zesty. That's nice though. Number 4, day by day the elf spirits were revived, gleaming lights hung with joy in their eyes, strings of color adorned with grace, adding magic to the workshop and smiles on their face. Number 4 is another plate. Oh, they're Christmas lights. So we got some giant bulbs. We got kind of like a Christmas tree, different strands. Oh, I love the bigger patterns. Here's the outline and then here's for the color. And these 2 are layered too. So pretty. I do like how Maniology does have some of these bigger images because they're good for the longer nails. Number 5. On day 5, the team cleaned the dust from the shelves. Remember this plate? Explained one of the elves. Flipping through albums, they all reminisced on Bundle Monster plates in nostalgic bliss. So here is number 5. I think this is going to be a plate holder. The plate holder that we got for Halloween was so cute. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, that's so cute. Number 6, day 6 brought some trouble to the elves' dismay when the lights ceased to shine on their Christmas display, but in galloped Rudolph with a shimmering hue to illuminate the night and fix their lights like new. Number 6 is another stamping polish. It said Rudolph, so I'm thinking this is going to be like a red. Yep, it's called Rudolph. It is a metallic red. It looks almost brown if I shake it up. It's like a brownie red metallic named Rudolph. Number 7. Next, they mix cinnamon with sugar so sweet, creating gingerbread men for a break time treat. Pouring milk in their glasses, ideas began to flow for layering plates made out of cookie dough. Number 7. I'm like, is this going to be a hot cocoa or a gingerbread plate? It's a gingerbread plate. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Look at the little faces. You can change up your faces however you want. Oh, this box is so cute. Makes me want to do Christmas nails, even though I have Halloween nails on. Number 8, they bake and they craft with laughter and cheer, creating gingerbread cookies and nails so dear. Rolling pins and nail stampers, the cookies take form, manicures baked fresh, fragrant, and warm. Number 8 is a clear stamper. This one's a gingerbread man stamper. And again, the Halloween stampers were so cute. They were purple and they had Halloween patterns on them. Oh, it's blue? Is it blue or is it green? So here is the gingerbread stamping plate. Not stamping plate, the stamper and scraper set. It's kind of like a green blue, like a teal. I was thinking it was gonna be brown because it's gingerbread, but they went with like a teal. Okay, number 9. On day number 9, the workshop was a total mess. So out with their brooms, the elves gave it their best. Their miraculous touch, like a nail artist's stroke, leaving not a crumb for a mouse to evoke. So number 9, I'm thinking it's gonna be a cleanup tool. Ooh. Yeah, so it's an angled cleanup brush. The center is filled with that same like teal blue glitter. Oh, and on the end is a mini stamper. It's like a mini stamping head. I wonder what you use that for. If it's for stamping or for something else, I'm not sure. I've never seen this brush from them before. That's cool. Number 10. With a heave and a hoe, the elves brought in a tree. It was surely the biggest fir they've all seen. On its lush, fluffy branches, they strung up the lights, topped with a shimmering star. What a sight. So number 10 is another stamping polish. It's called Fur Sure. It is a metallic green stamping polish. So all of those stamping polishes are metallic, which is going to be pretty to play with. Number 11, with golden tinsel, their tree sparkled and gleamed, just a pinch more glitter, like hollow Daydream, a few extra strands for the final touch, and a manicure to match, or is it too much? So here is number 11. Ooh, it's a gold holographic glitter. Finally, number 12. In a workshop adorned on the very last night, their smiles seemed brighter, their tasks felt light. Knowing that teamwork held the Christmas key, each gift wrapped in joy for Maniology. As the very last gift was laid under the tree, the elves made a wish for the nail community. We hope all of our polish, art tools, and nail plates will always help to inspire, empower, and create. So here is the last stamping plate. Well, the last item in the box. In this plate, we got a bunch of different stuff. We got some Christmas trees, some stockings. This one has like penguins, snowmen, candy canes, presents. This one has ornaments, a fox, a deer. And then we got some bigger ones, some sayings, snowman, more stockings, a snow globe. This one is a really well-rounded Christmas plate. So here's an overview of everything we got in the box of joy. So we got 4 new stamping plates. We got 3 new stamping polishes, a stamper and scraper bundle. We have a cuticle oil, a holographic gold glitter, a cleanup pen with a mini jelly tip, and then the book holder as well. So as I said in the box of magic, their Halloween box, they do a phenomenal job doing these countdown boxes between all of the theming that goes with the story that they do and the colors and everything that comes together. you could tell they put in a lot of work, a lot of energy into creating these boxes. And I hope they do more of these boxes, like do a Valentine's one, do a spring one, a summer one. I wonder, do you guys know, like, do they only do Halloween and Christmas? Because I feel like they should do multiple throughout the year. I would love to see that. Plus, picking up this kit as a whole, if you're new to the nail world, this gets you set up for the whole Christmas season. And it can really even take you through January, because the snowflakes and then the blue polish, you can do, you know, snowflake winter nails into January. So just having the one kit just sets you up for all month long, and then even into January. Same with the Halloween one. If you don't have very many colors or stamping plates, like, buying the kit really sets you up for the whole season, gives you a little bit of a variety. And as you guys may or may not know, I am a Maniology ambassador, so I do have a discount code with them. They do sometimes send me over free products to show you guys and tell you guys about. This box I did buy with my own money. I did use my discount code, so make sure it'll be up on the screen as well as in the description box down below. Use my code to get some extra dollars off. And make sure to stay tuned, see what else Maniology is coming out with. But this kit got me excited for Christmas. I'm so excited to use these plates, and the metallic polishes are beautiful. And I love how they just have the theming too. Like, I'm gonna bring out my Christmas stamper every year and my Halloween stamper every year, and then the book too. It just so cute. They put in so much effort. So you guys let me know down below if you're picking up the box of joy, what you think about it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my unboxing videos. Make sure you subscribe for more videos coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.